Good evening everyone. The Ignition project is an important wide-scale project increasing green infrastructure in Greater Manchester, and the University of Salford is one of 12 partners working on the Ignition project. This includes GMCA, the Environment Agency, as well as leading partners in green infrastructure research, practice and local authorities. The university is incredibly proud to be this lead in this consortium, leading towards effective change in Greater Manchester to tackle issues of climate emergency through nature-based solutions. You can see them all behind me. The Ignition's targets and approach aligns with the university's strategic planning for research, enterprise and industry collaboration, as well as supporting the plan for greening the Peel Park campus through the innovative design of the Living Lab. So I'd like to welcome you all to the Living Lab and the Ignition project, which is a fantastic thing for Salford University to be involved in. Thank you.
Right. Welcome everyone. We are here today to celebrate the end of phase 2 of our Living Lab. This is part of the Ignition project, and today we have the switch on of the light to celebrate that occasion. What you see here is quite interesting technology. It is the top technology of the world of integrating different type of green infrastructure, from the walls, the green walls, to the trees on the back, which using sustainable urban drainage systems, to the green roof, where unfortunately we're not going to be up there, but trust me, it is up there. And you can see also we are using different system of green walls. So we are having green walls on the system traditional construction, but up there we are trying to put the green walls on industrial buildings as well, hoping that Sainsbury and Tesco and IKEA, they will all use that technology to cover their structures in order to green our cities in the future. It's a fantastic project. I hope you will enjoy the event today, and we are looking forward to welcome you to the University of Salford, to the Living Lab, to work with us and to enjoy and learn from that excellent infrastructure.
My name's Sam Evans from the Greater Manchester Combined Authority. It's fantastic to be here this evening at the switch on of the lights at the University of Salford Living Lab as part of the Ignition project. This is a really important project for us in Greater Manchester to show us all the benefits we know we can get from green infrastructure like this in helping us fight climate change, bring biodiversity benefits and all the other good things we know come from nature. So it's fantastic to be here to see this. The lights being switched on this evening.
It's great to be here this evening at the Living Lab at the University of Salford. The Living Lab is a key part of the Ignition project, and I know it's been fantastic work from the University of Salford and the rest of the partnership contributing towards this work. I've seen it develop over the last 18 months or so, and really keen to see it develop further and the data to flow into the rest of the work packages and really bring the project together as we approach the final year of Ignition.
Thank you everybody, and welcome to the University of Salford campus and outside the Cockcroft building for the official switching on of the Ignition Green Wall initiative, which is led by Professor Shima Cowdy and his colleagues. I want to say it is an incredible sight to see an old university building, a classic 1960s description, converted into what now looks something fit for the 21st century. And having heard the conversations about the irrigation system and all the science and technology that went behind this, and this is truly the future of buildings. And I'm very proud to see it at Salford, and I'm proud to be here to officially launch it and turn it on tonight. So thank you all very much, and I hope there are many hours and days and years of pleasure that we get from this, as well as fantastic research as well.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.